I'm Jonathan Chard. I'm a product manager out of Portland, Oregon. I like the Portland office because of the culture here. Now, we started as a small company, got purchased by eBay, and we're still holding on to that culture. I'm working on a feature to make it easier to browse and explore items while you're shopping on your phone. If you're looking through eBay and you find an item that catches your eye, you tap the item and this sheet will come up, will let you explore other options based on that item. If you just like the picture of it, we have looks like this. This uses our computer vision technology. We'd send a thumbnail off to our service and then it'll return the results. All right, I'm gonna launch the app here. I'm gonna check out my collectibles sneakers interest and we're gonna see if anything in here is interesting. This green pair, it looks pretty cool. So I can tap the menu, it brings up the sheet. On this one, I'm gonna just do looks like this, which gives us very similar results in other shades of green.